Almost every single day, I see patients come into my office and say the exact same thing. Doctor, I guess I'm just getting old. My back hurts. My neck feels stiff all the time. But let me be very honest with you for a moment. It's not your age that's causing your neck, shoulders, and back to hurt. Pain by itself is one thing, but losing your freedom, that's what really scares people. The real culprit isn't age at all. It's something quiet, sneaky, and surprisingly dangerous. The chair you're sitting on right now. And even worse, the way you sit every day is slowly bending your spine, pulling on your neck, and tightening your shoulder muscles until they're silently crying for help. That may sound a little shocking, I know, but I promise you, if you stay with me for this part, you'll finally understand why your aches never seem to fully go away. Poor sitting posture doesn't cause pain right away. It's like gently stretching a rubber band over and over until one day it loses its elasticity. Your spine works the same way. When you tilt your head forward just 20 to 30 degrees while looking at your phone, the pressure on your neck increases 3 to 4 times. Sitting slouched for just 30 minutes can increase tension in your lower back muscles by more than 120%. Your shoulders stay raised because those muscles are constantly bracing, trying to keep your head from falling forward. And little by little, your neck feels stiff, your shoulders feel heavy, your lower back aches. You need your hands to push yourself up. You hear cracking or popping when you turn. And all of it starts with one small, everyday sitting habit. But here's the good news, and this is the part one wants you to remember. Simply correcting how you sit can help your body recover much faster than you might expect. No medication, no weekly massages, just relearning how to sit the right way. So what exactly do I mean by proper sitting posture? Stay with me for the next part. I'll show you each point step by step. It's simple, and most people feel the difference within the first week. Have you ever noticed yourself leaning your head forward while watching TV, reading the news, or using your phone without even realizing it? Sitting hunched for just 30 minutes is like wearing a small backpack filled with bricks. Let me be very honest with you. For every inch your head moves forward, your neck takes on an extra 10 to 15 pounds of pressure. That means if your head is tilted forward about 20 degrees, your neck is essentially carrying a small bag of groceries all day long. The good news is, the moment you bring your head back to where it belongs, that load is reduced almost immediately. That's why so many people wake up with a stiff neck, hear popping sounds when they turn their head, or feel like they're carrying an invisible backpack on their shoulders all day. It sounds a bit scary, doesn't it? And the worst part is, most people don't even realize they're doing this every single day. When your head moves forward, your neck muscles have to constantly pull backward to keep it from falling. At the same time, your shoulder muscles tense up just to stabilize your shoulder blades. Over time, this leads to weak front neck muscles leading to fatigue and lightheadedness. Tight back neck muscles causing neck pain. Constantly raised shoulders creating ongoing heaviness and soreness. Compression of the neck joints, which can accelerate early degeneration. I once had a 72-year-old patient whose only habit was watching YouTube, sitting very close to the TV screen. In just 3 months, his neck pain became so severe that turning his head left or right was painful, all because of that forward head posture. If you want to immediately reduce pressure on your neck and shoulders, remember just one sentence. Head upright, shoulders relaxed, screen at eye level. Right now, as you're watching this video, try scooting back a few inches and raising the screen just a bit. That small change alone can make your neck feel several pounds lighter. When your screen, desk, and chair are at the wrong height, many of my patients say to me, "Doctor, I don't work in an office. Why do my neck and shoulders hurt whenever I sit at a table? But here's the truth. Sitting at a desk with the wrong height, even for just 10 minutes, puts almost the same strain on your neck and shoulders as an office worker sitting for 8 hours. If the desk is too high, your shoulders are forced to lift. If the desk is too low, your neck bends forward. If the screen is too low, you end up leaning your whole body forward. All of these lead to pain. Your body is designed to sit in what I call a natural straight line. Eyes looking straight ahead, not down, not up. Shoulders relaxed, not hunched. Elbows bent about 90 degrees, no reaching. Desk and chair matched to your height, no straining. If even one of these is off, your body starts compensating. Neck tightens, right pointing arrow. Shoulders tense, right pointing arrow. Lower back strains, right pointing arrow. Headaches appear. It becomes a chain reaction of pain. I once treated a 62-year-old woman who sold products online. Just because her laptop sat on a low table, she lived with neck pain for nearly 3 years. The solution is surprisingly simple. Raise the screen to eye level. Use a chair that lets your elbows rest comfortably on the desk. If you use a laptop, place it on a box or stand to lift it higher. Sit close enough so your arms don't have to reach forward. Once your desk, chair, and screen are at the right level, most people feel noticeable relief in their neck and shoulders within just a few days. The good news is this: your body can recover much faster than you think, if you correct things the right way. Today I want you to remember this simple mantra: head upright, shoulders relaxed, screen at eye level. Take action right now. Lift your phone or TV screen slightly higher and sit about 4 inches farther back. That's it. Just that small change can take several pounds of pressure off your neck almost immediately. But I do need to tell you this: fixing your neck is a great start. Yet it's only addressing the surface of the problem. Have you noticed that sometimes your neck feels better, but then your lower back starts aching, or your legs feel numb when you stand up? The real culprit isn't your head position anymore. It's what I call a danger zone, right under your hips and legs. Some sitting habits feel comfortable, like crossing your legs, sinking into a soft couch, or leaning to one side for hours. But they are actually the fastest ways to damage the discs in your lower back. Are you making some of these mistakes without realizing it? Then I want you to watch my next video. I'll show you how to protect your lower back and your legs before it's too late. The key lies in something I call the 30-second rule. If more people had known this earlier, many of them would have avoided years of chronic back pain. I'm Dr. Samuel, and I'll see you in the next and most important part about your spine. And if this video helped you understand your body, even just a little more, please tap the like button so I know I'm on the right track. And if you found it helpful, share with a family member or friend who struggles with neck or shoulder pain like you do. Sometimes, one small change today can make someone feel noticeably better tomorrow morning.